My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that come from the site News-mewaji.cc. News-mewaji.cc is a new malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. These pop-ups have various versions. One of them tells that you need to click on allow to help you watch some video. The other version says you need to press allow to confirm that you're not a robot. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous because this may hijack your browser with multiple ads that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. These ads can be multiple and obviously very annoying. So to deactivate them, you should fix your browser by doing the following. Go to the menu, Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then inside Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and when you find this News-mewaji, make sure you remove it from the list and also delete other junk sites from this list. This is the best way to get your browser manually fixed. I also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.